Hello everybody, today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll go to click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.